This SMS Platform User Guide video addresses the functionality of the Keyword Management link. Keyword Management is the link to click if you need to create a new keyword or edit an existing keyword. By clicking the plus sign, we expand the menu item and we see a list of all keywords created under this account. To create a new keyword, simply click Add New Service. At the top, we see the shortcode, and type the new keyword in the keyword field. Looking below, we see the functionality menu. Customer will be added to group is the most popular action for text message campaigns. Directly underneath, we see Create New. This means that a new group or database will be created with the same name as the keyword to store the numbers of those texting in to this particular keyword. You may click here to remove opt-out instructions, but please remember that each message should provide instructions on how the recipient can opt out. Respecting the mobile user's wishes will greatly increase the effectiveness of your campaign. If you do remove the system-provided opt-out message, then please tag each message with Reply Stop to be removed. Beneath the reply message box is a counter that will tell you exactly how many characters you will be sending. If your message exceeds 160 characters, the platform will separate your text into 2 or 3 messages depending upon its overall length. You will know ahead of time if each message will be charged as 1, 2, or 3 credits based on overall length. The You have already subscribed checkbox is there to prevent people from entering the same keyword and being added to the same group twice. If this is the case, the response will simply remind them that they have already joined this group. We click Submit, and we have our new keyword. It's that simple. In order to edit an existing keyword, we click on it, and this will give us a chance to go over all the possible actions that can be performed when the mobile user texts in a keyword. When a text message is received, we can forward as email. This means that the mobile user texting in will receive the response as entered in the reply message box, and a notification will be sent to an email address specified in the email field. Reply message will be sent. We'll simply reply to the incoming message with the text specified in the reply box. Customer will be added to group was covered when we created our first keyword. Customer will be added to group and email will be forwarded. If this action is selected, the mobile users will receive the reply specified in the reply message box, and their number will be added to the group selected directly below. An email notification will also be sent to the email address specified in the email field. This feature can be very useful for realtors. Customer will be removed from group, will send the reply message you specify in the reply message box, and remove that number from the group specified directly below. Message will be forwarded to group members enables text messages composed on a mobile phone to be sent to a group of users. This can be very useful for sales organizations that are always on the road, or even perhaps for the restaurant owner that may not have ready access to a computer right before lunchtime. Message will be forwarded as SMS and customer will be added to group, will reply with a message specified in the message reply box, and add the mobile user's number to a specific group, as well as send a notification to a mobile phone via SMS. The next 2 options are to be used with our premium services, or pay-to-play as they are known in the industry. A TV station can set up a poll asking viewers to participate by texting in their vote and charge 75 or 99 cents. These votes and polls require approval, so you will have to contact us in order to have those features fully enabled. The last feature is directed to HTTP URL, which is a very powerful feature that larger companies will find useful. This is not to be confused with mobile sites. Directed to HTTP URL refers to the platform accepting the keyword from the mobile user's phone and forwarding that information to a database that resides on a remote server. The database server can then add that information and send back dynamic responses. For example, a pizza chain advertises that they are now accepting mobile ordering. They ask that the customer go to their website and enter their name, address, cell phone number, and credit card number. Then they also choose 3 or 4 of their favorite menu items and enter them as preset favorites. When it comes time to order, the customer can, for example, text in pizza to 41513. We receive that information and forward it to a waiting application on the pizza chain's main server. The server accepts the information and searches the database. Once the cell phone number is matched with a name, Jim Williams, for example, they can send out a personalized message to Jim. "Hello, Jim. Which of the preset menu items would you like today?" Jim would reply and text in pizza 3, indicating that he wants preset item number 3. We would again accept this information and forward it to the pizza chain server. The database could then charge Jim's card and reply with a message to Jim, "Thanks, Jim. Your total is $22.19, and the order will be delivered to the address on file within 30 minutes. Thank you." This feature will generally be used by larger companies and may require some additional planning and integration. Please feel free to contact us for application-specific advice about this feature. We'll be glad to lend our expertise. The remaining directed to HTTP URL functions not only perform all of the above, but also can add the mobile users to a database on our server, as well as notify via email, and customer will be added to group